So this is one of my favorite ball caps. I bought this years ago and it's getting pretty scummy and dirty, but I don't want to lose or throw it away. Don't want to donate it. I want to keep it forever. Look at that though. What must be done? So I'm going to put this in the dishwasher and close it up. All right, it's break time. Subscribe, like, and share to support this channel. Please comment as well. Join as a member for amazing perks from priority replies to DIY party invites. If you need tools and merch, shop my store or website. You can check the links in the description for my best products. Anyway, I put it in a dishwasher cycle and check it out. Nothing. It didn't work. This is a blooper video. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Sometimes you have successes and sometimes you don't. I scrubbed and I scrubbed and I still couldn't figure it out. So that's life sometimes, right? I will put out another video, of course, if and when I'm bound to determine I'm going to get this. So stay tuned, and hopefully this has helped you what not to do.